It's me, Kinghuman. Shut up, leave me alone. Don't bug me. I'm gonna get angry. Okay, here's what's doing. I didn't plan on making a video today, but I'm gonna make one. It's all spontaneous, off the cuff. Don't bug me about it. Don't hog me on cup. Don't give me shit. I can't take it. I'm angry, okay? Here's what's doing. I got a thing from a guy on Facebook saying, Kinghuman, you haven't been doing your job. You haven't been telling us about, you know, things we can use to make money online. You've been really quiet about that lately. What's doing? Well, what's doing is I haven't found anything I wanted to talk about. You know, there's a lot of garbage out there. If I talk about something, it's got to meet my criteria, and that is it's got to be easy, it's got to be scalable, you got to be able to do it from anywhere in the world with a laptop, and it's got to be newbie friendly. It's got to have potential. So we got into this conversation, a little back and forth, and he goes, what have you tested? What was the last thing that you tested that actually made money for you? Well, I have two things that are working well that I tested. One of them is this, and it's 5minuteincome.com. Now, let me tell you what it is. I'm not pitching it at you. I just want to inform you. Because this, to me, has potential. Every time I use this, I bought it myself, and I used it. Every time I use it, it makes me about $3 grand. Now, don't quote me on that, because I'm not exactly sure. I haven't even done it in a while. I mean, you know, for me, $3 grand isn't like killer money right now, so it's one of those things that I use once in a while when I think about it. Now, when I say use it, what am I talking about? I'm talking about taking my link, I have a link, and sharing it on social media or whatever. That's it. That's all I do. And every time I do that, it makes me $3 grand, and, you know, it could, I'm not promising anything here, and I'm going to get into the good, the bad, and the ugly on this with you, but it could make you some money too. Will it make you as much as it makes me? I don't know. Maybe you'll do better than me. Maybe you'll make nothing. I don't know, but I'm going to give you the information, so shut up. I can already hear you guys screaming. Okay, here's what's doing. 5minuteincome.com is a system, and what it's going to do is it's going to set up an opt-in email funnel system, sales system for you in 17 clicks. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, an opt-in email system is where you send somebody to an opt-in or a squeeze page, and you give them something for free for them giving you their email address. Now, this is going to set that up for you. It's going to set you up a killer squeeze page, and it's going to give you a killer product that you can plug into your funnel. Let me explain. So I went and I bought this thing. Now, I paid the money, and how much is it? Okay, how much is it, Kinghuman? 37 bucks. It's 37 bucks. And this is what it made for me. In 17 clicks, it made me that squeeze page with that spokesperson, that video, that whole thing. Now, what happened? And I got my own URL. Now, my URL is escape-ratrace.review. So I know, stupid URL. I can change it. I don't care about that. Because all I do is share it on social media. It doesn't really matter. I haven't bothered to change that URL. Okay, there it is. There's got to be one in every video, right? So what happens when people come to this page? So if you pay your 37 bucks, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get this squeeze page, and you watch this video.
This video isn't available to the general public. The team has reviewed so many income.
So she talks about how she's got this great free system of generating online income, and you can have it free. All you got to do is click this button and download it free. And it's true. What it is a conglomeration of a bunch of different products, everything from e-commerce training to, I forget what's in it. But it's already set up for you, all of these packages, these free downloads. The download page is made up for you. So the minute somebody clicks on your button, and they give you their email address, two things happen. First of all, you get their email address, which means you can market to them over and over and over again. And that's how you get recurring income on demand. It's one of the things I do. It's one of the things everybody that's big in the industry does, email marketing. And they do it because it makes money. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to capture that lead. Second thing is they're going to get this huge benefit. They're going to get a huge package of training. And then the third thing that happens is on autopilot, they're going to start getting emails about a product that you own that will make you money. What is that product? That product is this 5minuteincome.com. You are going to be automatically approved to be an affiliate for this product. So see how it kind of loops. You buy this product, 5minuteincome.com, cost us 37 bucks. In 17 clicks, it makes you this squeeze page that you can share on social media. And again, every time I do it, it makes me about $3 grand, something like that. And it builds my email list, and it instantly takes people, well, they get their download package, their benefits, and then it instantly takes them to 5minuteincome.com, where if they buy the system, you make money. See how that works? Now, the cool thing is you don't have to apply to be an affiliate. You don't have to get approved. You're automatically approved. Everything's done for you. It's pretty killer for a noob. Now, when I promote this, it makes me about $3 grand every time I do it. That's me. Now, I don't know you. I don't know, maybe you've got a big social media following. If you've got a huge social media following, you could probably make huge bank with this. I don't know. But here's the thing. I want to get into the bad part about this and the stuff that they don't tell you or the stuff that you don't see. First of all, what you're not seeing here is one of the things you're going to need to do on top of the $37 when you buy this up front is you're going to have to get an autoresponder. That's just a given. If you want to be in the email business making money on demand just by sending out emails, you need an autoresponder. You know, it's like somebody saying, I want to sell pizzas without a pizza oven or something, you know. You just need certain tools. Now, what I recommend is go to Aweber. I think they may even have a free trial for Aweber. I like Aweber. That's what I use. That's where all my lists are. I think they're great. Never had a problem. But if they have a free trial, go sign up for Aweber, get this system, and then plug it in to Aweber. If you try this and it doesn't make you money by the time your free Aweber trial is up and you're really, you know, you don't want to spend a dime more than 37 bucks, then quit. That's it. Done, right? You've gotten to test this out, and you didn't have to spend any extra for Aweber. Now, I don't know, maybe Aweber doesn't have a free trial. I'm not going to look. You go do your own freaking homework. I can't do everything for you. You drive me crazy already. So anyway, that's the thing that they're not telling you is you're going to need an autoresponder. What else? What else was a negative about this? Oh, the other thing is they've got a marketing system. Once you buy this at 5minuteincome.com, they've got a marketing system in there that shows you how to market it and make money once you set up your squeeze page. In other words, once you have your squeeze page, it's like, how do you get traffic to this squeeze page? What they tell you is something I don't really agree with. They tell you to go buy solo ads. They'll tell you what that is and all about that in the training. I don't like solo ads personally. They're expensive. You know, they're questionable results that you get with them. And I'm just not, I don't want to encourage you guys to spend a lot of money to get traffic with stuff like this. I would rather see you go and just share your link, because that's all you have to do is just share your link out there, get people to come to your squeeze page, and do it for free on social media. That's what I recommend. Until you guys learn how to do really good paid traffic, share it, do free traffic. Now, how do I do that, Kinghuman? Well, Google is your friend. Do some Google searches on creative ways to get free traffic. And you will come up with a lot of different ideas. I use different creative ideas all the time. You know, maybe you could do Craigslist posts. Maybe you could do Facebook posts. Set up a messenger bot, and, you know, that's a really creative way to do it. I can't get into messenger bots right now. That's a whole different video. What else? I've even run ads in regular newspapers, sending traffic to this, and it worked. It made money. So just be creative. Go out there on Google, and, you know, once you have your link, you can figure out creative ways to send traffic to that link. Now, okay, I'm done talking. I don't know what else to say. 5minuteincome.com. Do it though. Oh, my throat. Damn it. Okay, 5minuteincome.com. Do it, don't do it. I don't give 1/5 of a half-eaten shit, really. I'm just trying to help answer this guy's question. It makes money for me. Will it make money for you? I can't promise that. I don't know that. And any affiliate marketer that gets on YouTube or anywhere and says, hey, do this, it's going to make you money, run like a scalded freaking dog, because they don't know you from a can of paint. And if they're telling you something will make you money, they're pumping sunshine up your skirt just to line their own pockets. I won't do that. I don't need to do that. I think it's disgusting. Oh, phone going off. Okay. Anyway, there it is. Bayonara, maximum respect, and I'll talk about the other thing that makes me money on demand. Well, not on demand. It makes me passive income without me doing anything in another video. And tomorrow I got to give away a couple of $20 bills. Okay, fuck.